Welcome once again, and let's talk about fake token. Feed every gorilla token fake. Now we hope that this year fake token is expected to hit about 10,000% increase in price with the support I've been getting from different crypto exchanges and community. Get.io have already listed fake token. BigX have already listed fake token. Uniswap have already listed fake token. We are hoping for more exchanges to list fake token. Of course, Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, Kucoin to list fake token. Now, fake token have gotten a listing by BabySwap. Okay, BabySwap exchange just listed fake token. Feed every gorilla token fake. Now, remember, fake token as of today is gaining about 10% increase in price. It's good. I'm happy to see fake token hitting about 10% increase in price today alone in the past 24 hours. Now, fake token, actually, based on their roadmap, they said this year 2023 will be seeing fake token partnering with many crypto exchanges. That fake token will be getting a lot of listing this year, and I'm happy to see that BabySwap have already listed fake token. Now, BabySwap might be small exchange, but of course they can also contribute to fake token. Now, their daily spot trade is about $900,000, almost $1 million. Okay, so I believe more exchanges will be coming in, more exchanges and big exchanges will be coming in to partner with fake token. Fake have already deleted 1-0 in the past 4 months, 5 months. So now they are currently trading with about S0. Fake is one of the best coins, one of the best future coin. Fake is not a coin you will buy now and you start making profit immediately. Fake is a future coin, a coin that you might not even know when this coin will be deleting 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. I love fake token so much. Even the name fake token, feed every gorilla token, is very much attractive. Let's hope to see fake token getting more support. One important thing is that Get.io is one of the top crypto exchanges that have already listed fake token, and over 6, 7, 8 exchanges have listed this coin. I'm hoping for more exchanges to come in to list fake token. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please cannot do your own research before taking any decision. And I hope this year fake token will be hitting over 500, 1,000 or 2,000% increase in price.